Alright guys, part 3. Almost there. Just tightening it up. All this detail is going to make it happen. It's going to add up. So when we're done, we're headed toward the stretch. We are going to make it look good. And that white is going to really make it come to life. Okay. You know that white, I'm not going to use that. So I'm going to black that out. I'm going to just use the white airbrush and go about that way. Daggers from outside inwards. Maybe a couple little dots of detail and work in some patterns into the eyes. Subtle shading into the white of the eyes, and of course a shadow from the eyelid. Shadows from underneath the nose, the nostrils, right here. Using the Badger Renegade Spirit, great detail airbrush. Real soft, allows for real nice, what I call soft shading. If you guys want to become a good airbrusher, you need to master the art of soft shading, and that's all that is allowing you to be able to control the most subtle, minute amounts of soft shadows and soft details. And this is what we're doing here, just lightly plucking away, creating soft little details. Okay, we're using House of Color with the Badger Renegade Spirit, and using a silent compressor by June Air. I got the silent, not June Air, Silent Air. Got the Silent Air compressor from Coast Airbrush. David Monick hooked me up over there, gave me a really good deal, and matched another competitor's price. The great thing about Coast Airbrush, they will match or beat any competitor's price, and that is, I think, the model they do business off of. Don't quote me on that, but I know it's either that or close. They sell all kinds of great airbrush products, including every product that I use. Shooting at about, I'd say about 35-40 psi. Coming in, just blocking out all those gums. We're not going to work the gums too much. We're just going to create little indentions of shape from the teeth. We've got to remember there's teeth underneath those gums. They're going to create the shapes that are underneath there. You don't even have to come in with white and highlight above that lip. We just preserve the white, and then come in with shadow and just further preserve the highlight of that lip. Alright, so far so good. Alright guys. Come in and just create more contrast and outline everything. One more time with the House Color Black. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my videos, do so. That way you can get constant updates on anything new I put out. You also get updated if you're interested in the DVD I'm coming out with, which really excited about. It's my first DVD. It's filmed at my studio, and we're going to be coming out with many more DVDs. So, first DVD is targeted mainly toward the beginner, but has a lot of stuff for for everybody, except for the pros, the intermediates. Definitely a load of information for the beginners. So, alright, we got our midtones in there, we got the shadows, we preserve the highlights. Now it's time to come in with some color and come in some more highlights. So what we're going to do here is we're going to make this scene look like it's chrome. We're going to use the traditional colors. We're going to do blue from the left, brown from the right. So we're just going to go over our midtones, our shadows, and our highlights. Light blue, just kind of dust over it very lightly, using the highlights. I'm going to go stronger at the bottom there. Creates a nice platform again for everything else to really stand out. Eyes here, we're going to come in with a nice blue. Alright, now the white to the eye, we're going to come with the blue as well. Alright, to the right of it, we're going to do a warm color, which is the brown. Just lightly over everything, even in the highlights. Just lightly, just like that. And for the outsides, we are going to make our outside color. Let's do pink. So come right over our shadows. Like that. Real dark over our shadows. Into the highlighted, preserved area. This is going to be red, so we're just going to cover that pink for now. Just like so. Alright, then we're going to come back in with our favorite color to really make this whole thing come to life. And that's our white. Coming real shiny. Real solid. Right over all our highlight areas that we preserved earlier. Reflection from the light from the top. Our glass effect we did on the other how-to. Top of the nose there. Underneath the cheeks. Our top lip. Be strong, fade out. Strong, fade out. Alright, well, we might have a part 4. What do you know? Well, we're just taking our time though. That's what I wanted to do on this video. I just wanted to take our time, relax. You guys can maximize your learning experience. Or at least I can maximize it for you. Okay, strong, fade out. Now this strong fade out effect is just a highlighting technique. Strong and fade out. You guys can highlight in any technique you want, but in this particular how-to, this is a great way of doing it. Just come up with some parallel highlights from the sides. And then from the bottom we're going to do a more widespread general highlight. Like that. See, it starts to look nice and shiny. Alright, then we're going to come in with real strong highlights right at the edge of the can. looks like. So alright, we're gonna finish this off with part 4. Stay tuned.